Christmas morning, inside this Brockton home came a surprise gift, the best one of all. Baby Harlem Elise Neal, born at home, arriving more than a week early.
She was due January 3rd, but, things changed and she felt like coming on Christmas. I was laying in bed at 8:26. I had my first contraction. By 9:30, she was here with us.
The baby's mother, Jaleesa, and father, Jonathan, are seen here with their newborn bundle of joy. They called 911 as soon as Jaleesa went into labor, but Harlem came even before first responders could arrive. So Jonathan helped deliver his new daughter with guidance by a Brockton 911 operator.
I already knew he was going to support me through the whole way.
Strangely enough, this is not the father's first time delivering one of his own children. He also helped bring his oldest daughter into the world.
By the time I had got out to the ambulance, there was snow falling everywhere. It was just a beautiful moment, something that I would never forget. The best Christmas present anybody could ever ask for.
Mother and baby were rushed to the hospital in the middle of the snowstorm. They're healthy, and the whole family is extremely happy with a beautiful gift named Harlem. Reporting in Brockton, Todd Kiskiewicz, WCVB News Center 5.